Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, not working, control plus click to select. Okay. Hold you press hold control, then select any layer. Okay. Or now we can see this auto select. Click here and now see this active auto select and click or any layer. Now we can see this auto select active. If it if it does not work, simply reinstall your Adobe Photoshop. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.